Now the owner himself is the driver. In this case, he is registered as the owner and registered as the driver itself as a two and separate and different identity. As the owner of the vehicle, he is liable to insurance claims and duties and assignments as the owner, as the driver. Therefore, he is as if employing himself as per legal terms. There, just like a corporate veil in the corporate laws, here itself, here also, the owner is the and driver is the same person, excuse me, but of a separate identity, of a separate identification number in the records or database of the app based service providing provider, where the first one is of the vehicle, a non-living item, and second one is a human being, a living item. The first one is a stock entry, and second one is a payroll entry. I mean, recruitment entry. So this is the whole setup. Now comes the task of the thing of the lady driver. Nowadays, ladies are also into driving, but then this is a very high class this thing and considered to be for the very sophisticated layer of people segment of the population, and there are no lady professional drivers, at least in Kolkata, to be seen. But in case some female ladies want to be in the profession of driving, I mean, this is a very totally vague concept at this point of time. But since I take a when I take a task, I do it totally with total duty and devotion. Therefore, I am taking the matter. It is not so much important or relevant in the present context of the society, but still then, in case there is a lady professional driver, the same rule applies. There is no change in it. Safety, etc., same manners. Complaint made, etc., SOS line or SOS button, communication, things like that. Everything same. I mean, there's no change, and there's a knob in the card that these things are there. But only thing in it is to be seen on the legal aspect that the lady has to declare every month. I'm sorry, but it is very open that she is not under pregnancy. Because as far as I know, under pregnancy, driving causes problem because of pressing the brakes and these things creates pressure on the abdomen, lower abdomen, transfer to the placenta and baby placement, baby this thing formation of the ovulation and those these things, which may cause some harm to the growing up inside. So I'm not saying that yes, I have got menstruation done, so I'm allowed to drive. I'm not saying that, but I mean things to be taken up at a secret course of time. That as a matter of fact, that the lady does not disregard or suppress the fact that she is under pregnancy, but maybe at an initial stage also, because from the first initial stage itself, whenever she is under uh, pregnancy, it is to be seen that she is not into service or driving at all, and thus deregistered until and unless fit to join. Automatically, considering there is no legal issues, and if there legal issue, that is to be done otherwise, but then there cannot be any assignment made to him it, and there has to be a replacement in his terms for the duties on the everyday matter. Second point is that some females, I think as per theory, may have some problems in times of periods, and therefore it is to be, I mean, very frank, I don't know, I'm not into that life as a lucky person still now, hope to be soon. But then they may have apply for compulsory leave on these issues, and in such cases, the there should be such the human resource HR is to be managed in such a manner that on the application on the that issue for one particular month cycle, and to she will be allowed instantly, and there cannot be saying, just give me a day. No, nothing can be shown. Maybe the car may not ply, but she has to be given the this thing. Okay. The third use, last section is that use of car for the purpose of hiring given to the driver. I mean to say that a driver may opt to the owner that, sir, I am going out to for one day picnic. Could you please allow me a car? If I hire a car, it will cost me say 1,000 rupees. But if I take the car of yours, may I be allowed some concession as part of sentimental mental binding or this thing? In that case, the application or service should be given that allowance for the this owner to have the flexibility for offering to the driver itself for very personal cause, very personal cause, that he himself is family going to the picnic or transferring the patient or things like that, very personal cause, a concession on the hiring of the vehicle. This will build up a good relationship, but then it is to be seen that no advantage is taken on sentimental ground on both sides, the owner and the driver. A driver, if required and to be known by the owner, may need the vehicle every week, but it should not be seen that he is earning his facilities. One day is taking this friend, one day taking that friend family along with his own, and taking the eating the profit of the owner. This cannot be done. So there is no unethical thing should be done, but a good relationship building. In that case, a little cost has may be is to be borne by the owner itself. May also be given as an allowance or bonus points or things like that to the owner by the application service provider on grounds of good relation building. In case the driver drives for more than 6 months or 1 year or so, then such as bonus points or things like that, this is to be given. So this is the whole model that I wanted to say, and to add at the last, please see the next video.